Hi, my name is Susie Jaramillo, and I'm an author and an illustrator and the creator of Canticos. If you haven't seen it, it's got bilingual apps and music videos and books, and it's for kids to help them learn English and Spanish. And the first Canticos books look a little like this, right? So we have Little Chickies, Los Pollitos, Little Sunny Sunshine, Sol Solecito, and the birthday book, Las Mañanitas. And everything we do with Canticos is in English and in Spanish, because I believe that when you speak two languages, you can have twice as many friends. But the thing about making books in English and Spanish is that there's a lot of times a lot of text on the page, right? There's like a lot of, words. So these books are accordion books. And so today, we're going to learn how to make accordion books. So the cool thing about accordion books is that you can make the book so that on one side, if you speak two languages, they're in one language, boom! And on the other side, they're a completely different language. And the other cool thing about accordion books is that you can make one long, continuous illustration, which is super, 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 super cool. The first thing you need, if you're gonna make an accordion book, is a piece of paper. Obviously, one piece of paper. Now we're gonna make a mini accordion book, not a big one, just a really, really, really small one, because we're learning and we're practicing, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is cut that piece of paper in half. That's right, just in half, okay? And then you're gonna take these two pieces and you're gonna tape it together right here. Just grab any tape that you have. I happen to have this tape at home, so this is the tape I'm gonna use, right? So you tape it, right? Boom, and there you go. Nice long piece of paper. Okay, now we have to fold it. And the trick is to fold it so that all of the folds are exactly the same size. So we know that this is half of this, right? So we're gonna fold this in half, right? To get this. And now we're gonna fold each one of these in half. Right, so we got this. And now we're gonna fold it even smaller. So I'm gonna fold this like this, right? And then I'm gonna go in and fold this like this, right? And this comes down like this. And this like this, and this like this, until my last page here folds like this. There you go. Now you've got it all folded up. Now you're ready for your story. So it doesn't really matter what kind of story you're telling or what you want to do. The trick to making an accordion fold book is really seeing where you end up with your lines and picking it up in the next spread. So this is a scribble book. There's no real story here. It's really just designed to show you how I tie one drawing to the other and make an accordion book. So we start out with this kind of like just simple design, and you've got a line here and a line here, right? And you've got to connect that line with the next drawing, right? So we see how this and this connects here, and then we go to the next page, right? And again, we're doing all of this stuff, and this ends here, and we have no idea what happens, but let's see. Whoa, this turns into this. Okay, and now you have more fun things going on, even though you really don't know what, and we don't know what's going on with this creature over here. But then we go like this, and boom, he kind of looks like that. And again, we're ending lines and we're picking up lines. And that is the secret to an accordion book. Accordion books are just a lot of fun because you can make one continuous thing and you can surprise the viewer, the reader, with each layer of your accordion book. Now, what kind of story are you going to make and how are you going to make sure that it's continuous? I hope you really enjoy making your accordion book, whether you want to do one long continuous thing or whether you want to do something really simple and do it in English on one side and Spanish on the other. Anyways, have fun. Bye.